Hello everyone. So today I'm going to walk you through a real-time AI integration case study where we have integrated a lot of NLP or information retrieval driven AI driven technologies for a particular campaign, and I'll also show you some use cases where this can be used for improving a lot of areas into the advanced SEO segment. So come, let us find out. So today we'll be talking about the AI integration for a single project case known as way.com, and in this presentation I'm going to walk you through several chapters and modules which I'll be explaining here what AI model has been used and how we have used that for overcoming the solution. So without further ado, so let us start with the cosine similarity model. So once again, just to cut down the thing short, cosine stands for like this. Gives a similarity signal between two websites. It helps in faster ranks and yield better visibility. So cosine similarity can help to understand which of the website has a better similarity score in accordance to the keyword that is used, and the process is very simple. For example, here we would be working for improving lag sparking for our competitor. So we have to calculate the similarity value for lag sparking against the landing page URL which is ranking for way.com, and also we have taken the other competitors into the consideration and calculated the mean average values as well. Now after that, what we have done is like we have run a simulation model and have figured out that what are the key objectives which are missing and which is preventing, and what are the key objectives which is missing and which is preventing from getting the similar value. So after doing a lot of A/B testing, we have the whole section, as you can see, is optimized, and then as you can see, the lag segment has improved by more than 26%, and it is ranking on the first page on the 5th spot. So there is also a separate video on cosine similarity. If you're interested, do search on that. Then we have anchor text similarity. So anchor text similarity just once again stands for the relevance to the anchor text that is used on the campaign. Similarly, we have document similarity, keyword similarity between your site and competitor site, cosine similarity. So the thing is that all of these algorithms works in accordance with the cosine similarity. Feel free to browse those through the internet, and you would find that the ultimate objective is you can use these natural language processing algorithms to make sure that you are properly optimizing the website journey and making sure that you are having the most similar relevance in accordance to the given query. Chapter number 2, we have the bag of words. So bag of words is exactly a vector modeling that is used to show the most highly weighted keywords as a cloud format. So this can be used to also understand what are the highest weighted keywords that is used by the competitors. So as you can see, the entire document. So here are a lot of steps which we have done. So if you are interested, you can reach out to us. So what we have done is like we have done the similar model. We have run the bag of the words campaigning model for one of the landing pages, and then we have also checked the competitor score as well, and then based on the competitor score we have then calculated the similar relevance value as well, and then we have taken it from there. Chapter number 3 is GIFI. So GIFI is a data driven network graph software. So that actually shows the simulation of what are the nodes and how page rank and modularity is working. So here are some of the steps. You can open Screaming Frog, scan the website, go to bulk export, click on all links, and then export the same. After you export, you can remove the unnecessary tabs, as you can see, and then you just filter and rename the destination to target. Open GIFI software. You can download the same from jeffy.org, and then go to import and just import the tab, and then you can just have a preview. You can play with that. You can see a lot of figures. So the main purpose is that using the help of GIFI, you can actually study the page rank and the modularity, based on which you can determine how the internal linking will be happening on the campaign. So the point is, higher the page rank, better is the chance of ranking, and lower the modularity, better is the chance for ranking. So in short, any page that is having a lower page rank should be connected with a page with a higher page rank of authority, or any page that has a higher modularity should be connected with a lower modularity page. Chapter number 4 is CORA, or also known as correlation. So this is very simple. This just means about the correlation. So we can correlate a lot of the on-page stuffs on the internet, and we can correlate the same from and we can correlate the similar things from like across multiple number of on-page elements, and then we can decide what to fix and what not to fix. Then in chapter 5 we have the rank brain schema implementation. To make the thing short, rank brain schema stands for the ultimate schema, where we can make it more extended by infusing more amount of information so that we can get a knowledge graph out of that. So here is an example of how knowledge graph schema or rank brain schema would look like. So basically it involves a series amount of question and answers, how to guides, and lot of information to feed in the information to Google about the context of that particular page. You can even use structured data testing tool to even test and see what are the items that are being fetched. Then we have Jacquard index. So we already have a separate video on Jacquard index. So in simple form, Jacquard index stands for like it will help in understanding how much percentage of a content is unique from its peer competitors by minute scale percentage. So running this algorithm, you can easily compare between your competitor's landing page, and then if you feel that it is not even 100% unique, Jacquard index is the algorithm that can help you to get 100% unique algorithm. So I would recommend to watch the exclusive Jacquard index video, which you already have. Then we have hierarchical clustering. So hierarchical clustering normally falls under two types: agglomerative and divisive. So in short, the word clustering, so the point is that using the clustering in SEO, we can actually segregate the keywords into topic clustering values into the segment of which keywords will fall under which category, and this will help our work easier to navigate if we are working with a large number of keyword database. Then we have sentiment analysis. So sentiment analysis, as the name suggests, is like this provides an overall sentiment of the entire content. So the purpose is to make sure that the sentiment is toward the positive, because Google loves positive, and Google also helps to fight spam and hatred. So sentiment can help you to make sure that your content is well aligned with the same. Then we have TF-IDF. Even though this is not a ranking factor, but this is of importance because if the turn frequency of any given landing page is quite higher, then this will be indicative that any particular competitor, if they are using a higher number of turn frequency, then it will show that the high weighted keywords which are being optimized by the competitor. So we can reverse engineer and steal those particular keywords and re-optimize on our campaign as well. So I have given small steps to do the same. So if you are unaware, so once again you can get in touch with us and we'll help you to do the same. Then we have precision and recall. So sometimes what happens is in SEO, whenever we do like you can say, whenever we check or retrieve any document, we check for the perfect accuracy, there can be a chance of false positive. So precision and recall algorithms can help us to make sure that if you're using any feedback mechanism or looping, then these are all perfect and in proper order. Then we have K-mean clustering. So K-mean clustering is just an extended version of hierarchical clustering, in which the only difference is here we use vector modeling, and the K-means algorithm is like we are using an unsupervised learning algorithm. So if you're working with thousands and thousands and multi-thousands of database, then K-means clustering can help us to segregate in a proper clustering order of the manner. So as you have seen that these are not only the only AI algorithms, but these are only some of them which I have shown. So the purpose of AI is to make sure that like we are further enhancing the content, your structure, your on-page activities, and reverse engineer the entire marketplace, the entire corpus into something better. So this gives more convenient and more ease to grasp a lot of useful data, and by studying all of this data, you can definitely take a U-turn and do a lot of reverse engineering, use a lot of data science into your effort, and gain a lot of momentum in your SEO journey. If you have any queries, or if you would love to learn or apply some of this into your go-to campaign, do not forget to contact us. Thank you.